Hi guys, it's Cheyenne. Today I'll be showing you this product by Etude House. So this is the Play Gel Nail Design Tip in number 4 Rainbow Sherbet. So I've already tried and reviewed the normal nail stickers on Instagram, so you can go and check it out in my Instagram highlights or like down in the description below. I'll just link it down there so you can go and check it out. But what's so interesting about this one is that it is made out of gel. So you can have an instant 5-minute gel manicure at home and you don't have to go to the salon, which is really interesting because I've never seen a gel nail sticker. I've seen normal nail stickers, but this was so intriguing to me. I just stared at it in the store for a really long time, and Etude House was really kind to send me this to review. So yeah, so this actually includes like a bunch of nail stickers and some other stuff. I'll open it later. On the back, there's both instructions in Korean and English, so you don't have to worry that you don't know how to read the instructions. Everything is right here, written down here, so it's all good. So I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna show you what's included in this set, okay? Alright, so first of all, it comes in this kind of packaging. Oh, there's something in here. It comes in this kind of packaging because it's gel, so you can't put this out in like the sunlight or any light or any UV or LED lights. So be careful when you take this out. This is actually a tiny file, so it has a fine side and a grittier side. So they both have different functions and I will show it to you later. So this is how the sticker looks like. Okay. I like how they actually encased it. Oh wow, that's very interesting. There's even instructions on the inside, but it's all in Korean, so I can't read that, but it's quite a good instructional, as you can see. So this is all the stuff here. These are all the nail tips that they are providing you. So as you can see here, like this side is more rounded than this side. You see like this side is more squared off. So this is the rounder side is what you're supposed to be matching to your cuticle area. So like just move it around and see which one fits your nail perfectly. But before all that, I'm just gonna put this to a side because my ring light is actually LED, so it's kind of curing it right now, so I'm gonna put this away. Alright, before we start, I'm just gonna give myself a really quick manicure. I'm gonna just shape my nails, push my cuticle back, and I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make these nail stickers last really long. So if you follow these steps, your nail stickers shouldn't come off very easily. It will last a really long time. Like mine lasted more than a week with no problem, except for 1 or 2 that like peeled off because I washed it really hard. So yeah, first of all, I'm just gonna reshape my nails. Like my nails look crusty and shit. So I'm gonna shape them all to be round shaped, and you can use the file that they use, no problem. But I think I'll just use my own file. I have my own file and I'm gonna shape it like how I want it to be. So if you see this, my nail here is a bit chipped. Can you focus, please? Focus. Alright, thank you. Alright, so you can see my thumb here is a little chipped. So I'm just gonna file it off so that we can have a nice stronger nail. So if we keep this chipped part in, it will probably just make our nail weaker because it might just grab onto something and like pull off the whole nail, and you don't want that. So let's just shave it off. What I'm gonna do is push my cuticles back. So I feel like you should do this whenever you're doing a normal manicure, be it a sticker one or a normal polished manicure. I think it's quite a good step. If you don't do it, you paint over these dead skin and it does not look nice. So usually what I'll do, I push it back and then snip them off. But for beginners, I'll just recommend you soak your hands in water, then push them back. You can use a cuticle pusher like this or a wooden cuticle pusher. So I have this, so this is what I'm gonna use. So what you wanna do is to push it back gently. Push it back gently. Gently push it back. So you'll be seeing all this white stuff. Look at that. That's all of the dead skin that's on my nail. Alright? So just push it back. And if you find that you're having difficulty pushing it back, just soak your hands in some warm water and it should soften the dead skin so that it's easier to push it back. So all you do is push it back. Gonna do it on all 5 nails. Usually I will cut them off after I push them back, but since this is a beginner tutorial, I wouldn't recommend you cut it off because you might cut yourself and it will cause you to bleed and it's not nice. So just push it back to your best ability. That's all you need to do, really. Look at that. Look at how clean it looks right now. Look, you see that? You see how like there was so much bumpy skin on top, and after I pushed it back, it looks so much cleaner. So it doesn't look clean right now because you can see all my dead skin over there, but once I wipe it off, you'll be able to see the difference. So just push it back. Just keep pushing, just keep pushing, just keep pushing, pushing, pushing. Alright, so once you've pushed it off, you can take it out using the other side. Yeah, I see so much dead skin over there. A lot of people neglect this step when they're doing at-home manicures. So that's just a little tip for you. So how to make your manicures last a little bit longer. Also, I lied. I just couldn't resist. I just wanted to cut off the cuticle. I just wanted to. But please don't do this if you don't know how to. I'm actually in training to be a nail technician, so I can do this. I actually know how to do this. If you don't know how to do it, please just don't do it. Just push back your cuticles as much as you can. So I just like doing this because it's just a habit for me. Just cutting off the cuticle, the dead skin, like that. Yeah. Next step we want to do is to remove the surface shine. So what we can do to remove the surface shine is we can use the buffer that they come with. So with this buffer, there is gonna be a smooth side and a rougher side. So just find the finer side and just buff your nail. So what you're gonna do is just buff it a little bit just to remove the surface shine. Don't go too rough on it, just until it's white-ish, you know? Another quick tip that I can give you right before you put on your nail sticker is to remove all of the surface oil. And as you can see, there's a lot of like dust on it. So what we can do, we can just take any old brand of like nail polish remover. Also ignore that, that's a wasp stain, okay? Not a pimple, alright? So as you can see, I have some nail polish remover. Rub it off. And that just gets rid of all of that dust and all of the oils. Be sure to wipe here as well because we don't want any oils on our nails. That will interfere with like the nail sticker sticking. So, and you want your nail sticker to last, am I right? So just rub it all off. Okay, so now that the prep step is gone, now we can size our nails according to the sizes. So as you can see, okay, I've already marked out some which I want to put on my nail already because I don't want this to be in contact with the LED light for too long because it will cure. So as you can see here, this side, there's one side which is more rounded than the other. So it's this side which is rounder, this side which is rounder. So I really like that it's transparent so you can size it up according to your nail. So how you want to size it? just go like this. Just look at it. Does it fit sidewall to sidewall? Just choose one that fits sidewall to sidewall. Just rotate your finger around and see if it fits perfectly with it. So there is a clear protective layer on top of the nail, so we have to peel it off carefully. Whoa. Alright, so this is the gel. All you need to do is peel it off, take your ready prep nail and stick it as close as possible to your cuticle. Actually, it does feel like gel. It has like that jelly bouncy texture of gel actually. That's actually quite interesting. So once you took out the film, stick it on, just squeeze it and make sure there are no wrinkles or bubbles, okay? Now that you see there's a bunch of like the sticker hanging out, what you're supposed to do is to take the rough side, this is the rough side of your file and file it off. So it should come off really easily. Oh, I accidentally filed off too much, but it's okay. We have 4 other fingers, so I'm just gonna speed up the process, and I'll just show you how to finish it up. That doesn't look too bad actually. That's quite interesting. Huh. And these are the nail stickers. They actually do feel like gel. They have that like very gel-ish feeling and that gelish shine to it. So the last step you have to do is to cure it in a lamp for 30 seconds. So I have a LED lamp here. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it in here for 30 seconds. So this is how they look like out of a lamp. So they actually do feel different. They are rock hard. Like just now it has this squishy jelly sticker kind of feeling to it, but now that it's out of the lamp in like 30 seconds, it's completely rock hard. I'm very impressed by this product. Wow. And the designs are so cute. All of the designs are really cute. I quite like this design that Etude picked out for me. It's so pretty and it's super shiny as well. It has the shine of a gel as well. Huh. It really looks legit. Wow. Wow. So this is the completed manicure. I really like this gradient design. I think it's really on trend right now and it looks super good on the short nails too. So it's like a jelly design, jelly rainbow gradient design with lots and lots of glitters. It's like, the glitters are so pretty in this. It's when it catches the light and everything. Hold on, I want to use my flash and see how it looks like. Oh wow, that's actually really pretty. Do you see that? Look at all those little glitters in there. So yeah. Also, I will give you an update on how long these will last. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram on Lychee Cakes as well. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!